Hello Space Engineers, Wellington 6012 here, along with my good friend Future Wellington. Say hello Future Wellington. Hello Space Engineers, welcome to Ares Colony. So yes, you find both of us doing an intro together because for this episode I'm intending two versions. So one will be the regular sort of length version that'll be quite heavily edited, I'd say, on Wellington 6012 channel, and then on my good buddies Future Wellington's channel there will be an extended version as well. So depending on which one you're actually looking at now, we will put a link up in the corner, sort of up there somewhere. Yeah, sort of somewhere over there, I think. Yeah, and yeah, so you can, if you don't want to watch whichever one you're watching now, you can watch the other version. Yes, on with the show. Hello Space Engineers, Wellington 6012 here, and welcome back to Ares Colony. How's everybody today? I hope you're all fit and well out there. Yes, so let's get straight into things because I feel like there's quite a bit to do. Let's just start off by pressing the right keys. Yes, right, so plan for today is to build the ship to take me to Europa and to resupply the base up there, the antenna, the Asteroid Base. Yes, so that's the plan. Now, I'm going to do this, I think, two ways. Well, sort of that's the plan. I kind of need to see how things go, but I really want to knock this off this episode. I wanted to knock it off last episode, actually, but that didn't happen. Let's just get going. So, potentially, I will have two versions of this. An extended version, assuming Future Wellington does it, and just a regular version, which will be edited with some montages, I would imagine. So that's kind of the plan. Just grab some parts for a welder. So as you can see, I've already put in some bits and pieces, so I can do this. And yeah, I've got a few ideas of how to go about this, but it will be figured out as I go, which again is why chances are the edit will be quite sort of savage in this. It's upside down. Not that that matters, but it's upside down. Yeah, okay. Just thinking. Thinking. So, one of those and one of those. Yeah. Like so. So, if I sort of get one of these in place, maybe if I go like that, that might help. Yeah, so we'll take a little bit of concentration to figure out where stuff goes and how it goes. Turn you on and go for one of them. So I'm thinking, well, I was thinking 6 tanks, but I'm actually now thinking maybe 8. Yeah. Okay, let's do that. So we'll put you in there. And there. So what I am thinking is that if I set up like a pair of these, I can make a bit of a thing out of them. What do you call it? Oh, I didn't do that. I could make a blueprint out of them. Right, so that's that. Now, what I'll do is I'll actually just sort of temporarily put this on the ground, just in case I cut something I shouldn't cut. Let's just turn you off. Right. Now, can I attach under there. I kind of want this to be like underslung. Yes, I can attach it there. That's good. So if I do that, and actually, let's just change the color. Sort of want it to try and match. Try and match the color of the connectors. Yeah, I think something like that. Okay, so we'll put you there. Same over here. We'll just have to figure out what we're doing in the middle afterwards. So that's cool. And I'll weld you up. So I'm actually using the rust freighter as a little bit of inspiration, because I've had a bit of a close look at those lately on Far From Home, which I also recorded today, which we'll release tomorrow. Things did not go well. I won't say any more than that. So yeah, that's cool. Alright, now let's put in, I want the passage with the, oh, do I want that one maybe? No, I think the three-way might be better. Yeah, that one. Grab a couple of those. Yeah, when it gets daylight and we go chasing some unknown signals, I'll also address some things from the last episode in regards to audio, an apology to make, and an explanation of what I've done, but I'll wait till daytime to do that. I won't forget. So that's that. Right, so that's good. Yeah, let's create some steel. Speaking of unknown signals. So if I go like that. So this is actually going to be quite exposed. As I say, it's the rust freighter is kind of what I'm using for inspiration, which is quite open in its cargo containers, and it's kind of got walkways and catwalks underneath.
Energy low.
Which is what I'm going for here. Okay, that's good. Then 1, 2, 3 for the same as the... Yeah. So it is kind of going to be modular. That's the sort of way I'm building it. So this will just be one module. I mean, it's not going to be modular as in it breaks apart or anything, but just the way that it's built will be in several modules. Hydrogen engines, but I also want to put on the... Is that right? No, we want a thing. I also want to put on some ion thrusters as well, because if it's going to do autopilot by itself, then I'm going to want ions. Now, obviously, I won't be able to finish those off because I haven't got any platinum. Well, not enough of ion thrusters anyway. So I need to get to the moon first. Get to Europa. There we go. Oh, Mr.
Energy critical.
Right, there we are. Yeah. Ow.
No energy.
I know. Okay, well, what we might do is I said I was going to wait till daylight, but I'm not going to wait till daylight. Let's do it now. Let's get Fetchy out. And I'll tell you about one of the things I've done. So, I talked about last episode the audio problems that I was having. I've just walked straight past the thing. And I have made some changes. So, first of all, I've changed the data files or changed the audio files and made them quieter. So now it's a lot quieter. The hydrogen thrusters. Don't have to take my headphones off. So I've done that for the hydrogen thrusters, and I've also done it for the hangar door opening and completed opening that always, didn't want to do that. It also makes me jump. So that's one thing. Another thing is, I must apologise because I talked about my voice being too quiet, when in actual fact, I think when I did an unknown signal and I was talking about my voice being too quiet, I mucked up the edit. And instead of making Fetchy quieter, the hydrogen thrusters, I think I made my voice quieter. So what I was talking about there was, I think it was Nutzel made the suggestion that it's a roly-poly one. I think we might be in trouble here. I think I may struggle. Oh, nearly. Now if I keep pressing the wrong button. Oh, no, not going to happen. Right, so I do need one of those though. I might have to go and get it manually. So yes, the suggestion was that I get one of each, a bit of a side mission, one of each of the unknown signals. And that way I could, have a bit of a museum or something. So I'm going to do that. Yes, pretty sure I've marked up the edit. Right, so let's just sync ourselves to you. Now, somebody told me that you could actually just turn off your antenna and it would stop this. There we go. It doesn't. I've tried that. Okay, let's just let you keep going. Yeah. So, reduce the noise on the thrusters so it doesn't deafen me when I'm flying it, and that way I don't have to remember to change it in the edit to enable you to hear me. Get the edit right. Sorry. And the hangar doors also don't make me jump when they open as well, so I've lowered the volume on them. I think those are the only things I've lowered the volume on. Actually, that'll take a while to open, so we won't worry about that. Yeah. Right, back to this. And yeah, museum for side mission, collect all the unknown signals. Okay, now I'm thinking that actually I could put the batteries in here. Maybe these ones. That could work. I think that'd look alright. And then actually I want to remove you. And just to be on the safe side, So that's that. Get rid of you. And we'll put you in. And we'll put you in. I mean, potentially I could even leave those welders in. They could actually just remain part of it. Didn't think of that. That could work. That could actually work. Just put you onto recharge. And we'll just call this a tanker, I think. Tanker. Okay, very good. Yeah, not too sure what to put up there. Now, is this how I want to do it? Just bear with me. So I'm thinking that I'll put some hydrogen thrusters like in there. So with that in mind, you there and there. Like that. Yeah, and potentially the walkways. Yeah, okay, let's do that. Let's do that. So if we do that and that and then that. Yep, that's cool. And then hydrogen thruster. And to be honest, that probably wants to be bear with me. Wants to be over there. So it would be good if I could do like a cascade type welding situation. But I don't think that'll work here. Right. they will weld up. That's good. Yeah, that'll work, I think. Turn you off, so hydrogen thruster tanker up. Right, there we go. That's good. Now, what are we going to put in this little gap here? Okay, well, what I'll do is I'll put... Let's just get a bit of a refill. Something laggy just happened then. Right. Gosh, this weather. Shocking. What was it doing? Right, these things. Yeah, let me weld all this up if you're watching the short version, if I do a short version. And yeah, I'll just see how the edit goes on that. Don't think I'll be grabbing air right now. But when I came out with Future Wellington's channel, this was something that I sort of wanted to do, which I haven't done. And that was to sort of use it as a chance to do extended versions of things, you know, that I could do quite a squashed down version. And that's one of the things I was sort of talking about last time that I need to get better at. I'm just going to cheat, because this weather is bugging me and it's not really causing me any troubles. I'm just going to ignore that. Yeah, so as I was saying, I sort of want Future Wellington's channel to be able to have extended versions that I wouldn't normally put on this main channel. Yeah. So, how about... Let's continue that down, shall we? So that will be like that. We just need a plain one there. We're going to need parts. Like so. That'll work. That's good. Yeah, that's good. That's real good. Okay, let's just put on a little bit of detail. I want to just cover these up actually. That's the one. Don't really use these neon tubes enough. Let's grab another couple for around here. Good. cool. So what I do is just get back to the regular colour, and I'm going to put one of these on. I think. Yeah, and we'll just leave that unfinished. It's good. Okay, still not sure what's going to go in this gap. I mean, does another walkway go there? Well, you'll go there like that. More steel. Is there another way that I can get a colour that sort of doesn't do the edge thing? It's not really doing it for me. Oh, that could be the business. That could be the business. We'll leave the battery as is, but we can do these. Cool. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I don't think I want another walkway up there. What are we going to put along the top? Just having to have a bit of a think. I think that will just continue through, because there won't be any reason why we can't sort of even put some stairwells down there potentially later on. Yeah, okay. Well, okay, I think I might blueprint that as is, sort of. So you are definitely embedded into the ground. So let's get rid of you. And it's not connected anywhere else, no. And then we will just put on one of these caps. Without the finish on it. That's good. We will just Control B that, 6302. Take you off again. And we'll put you on. Yeah. And need to put a projector somewhere. Where can we put a projector? What about if we put it right? Nowhere. Projector. go. And we want, what was it, 2.6? Is it a large grid? No. Static grid? 6302. Key projection. Okay, that's good. Upside down. So that would be what pitch? Nope.
Energy low.
Your roll. We roll at 180. I knew that. So that's good. Then we need to rotate it 180 as well. Which, yep, that's better. And then need to do the horizontal thing. Oh no. No. That's not what I wanted. Oh gosh. Oh. No. That's gone terribly wrong. Oh. Okay. Whoops. Okay, that's that. Forward maybe? Yes, forward. And then vertical. Okay, back one and up two. Okay. Oh gosh. How can that still be wrong? Right, that took a bit of effort. But I think we're there now. Right. So, I'm sure they'll come in useful. Okay. So if we turn you on...
Energy critical.
we get some energy first. Right. And if we turn you on... should get all this. Turn you on. Get rid of you. And we'll put you into there. That's on already. I can use these bits, which are now surplus to requirements. Oh, can't believe it. Just welded all those up. Oh well, parts are coming useful. Oh, we've got a welder down here as well.
Inventory full.
Gosh. That's good. What we can do is that one, and we can put one of you in there just while that welder is right there. And yeah, Grab some more parts for one of those. Grind down you. And that's the wrong colour. Only that. Okay, there we go. Let's turn you off. Turn you off. When you're done. Yeah. Leave those in. Right, grab some steel now and do all those bits. It's more just making sure there wasn't any steel block in there. Steel tube, I should say. So I hope this works. Take that stuff for mine. Seems to be working so far. Now I did think about how I could come up with some sort of printing thing to do this, but really, yeah, I think it will be too hard. So that's fine. Okay, let's get some parts for you. I mean, this is pretty quick. I'll just go and put one in there. Jolly good. Some more of these. Very cautiously not to step on just an empty hole. That's good. We can put in this one of you. The right colour though. Which is not that colour, it's that colour.
Energy low.
And it's not the right colour. It's because they're not the right colour. Ooh. A little bit of crazy flying there. Okay, that's good. We'll just need to do you. Okay. Alright, so that's another one down. Probably the way to go is to just move that along 4 blocks, that projector. It's horizontal. No. Forward. So hopefully that's the right place. Yes it is. So turn you on. Turn you on. Thing. That's good. Now that you are done, we just put in another one of these as well. We've got the welder right there. Okay, that's good. You in there? Yes. Set your got the camo on. That's not right. So therefore, you've probably got camo as well. All fixed. Okay, so yeah, I've got the parts for that. Right, so yeah, move the projection once more. No large steel tubes, so that's good. Let's make a few more of those. I think everything else is alright. Or maybe some more batteries and some more computers. Right. Let's go around and do these. So yeah, a little bit of concentration here, so I'm not talking very much, which is fine if I'm not doing an extended version. So yeah, I really do need to sort of pick up the pace. And it's probably not the right words, but yeah, I need to do more, be a bit more productive with Ares Colony, because it's getting quite large, and just like this, you know, I don't think I've got time to really do this type of build over 2 or 3 episodes. So I just need to sort of push myself to complete it all in one hit. That's looking pretty good. grab those. Just realised I probably should have put lights on before I did the projection. Never mind. Steel. But I quite like those white lights there. They're those neon strips. They're quite good in that sort of space. Yeah. Cool. Okay. Let's grab a whole heap of parts for these. Lots of them. I've learnt not to walk on the one that's not actually done. What were you connected to? I wonder if that's got an attach point on it. To you.
Energy low.
Yeah, I mean, if I can get the basic ship done, then why are you still turned on? Oh, Fetchy, what happened? Oh, bother. What went wrong there? Okay. So I suppose you're empty. Yep. Let's just turn you off for now. And we'll figure out what to do with you when it's daylight. I wonder what... Okay. Alright, what were we doing? Yeah, I need to move the projection forward again. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Something just started welding.
Energy critical.
Oh, battery. Nuts. That's annoying.
Inventory full.
So let the lesson be. I won't turn those ones on because I'm not sure that I actually want those done. So I've got my inventory, whole lot of steel. Okay, but I will do you. That's good.
Inventory full. No energy.
Right. That was a bit of an error. Okay. Okay, that's fine. We need to weld you up. Good. Okay. Still not sure if that's actually where they're going to go. We'll figure it out in due course, but yeah, still just not quite sure. I think, with the exception of some walkways. Yeah, okay, let's... And we'll go for one of them as well. Those thrusters must have attach points quite low down. That's good news. Yeah, pretty much got everything else. Okay, grind you down. And put you in. Not you, one of you. Alright, and... Only got one of those in. Oh, really? Very good. Okay, we'll just turn you off. And trying to press the right button. Just extend you down because if you need to. Okay. So that is a start. 6 batteries. I probably do actually want... But do I want batteries? Yeah, I might just skip the batteries. I need to also get rid of my large steel tubes, and you're around the wrong way as well. So at least it's not...
Inventory full.
Those. Alright, let's dump all that.
Inventory full.
Oh, really? Okay, so I need some steel. Need to do some more steel tubes, more of those, more of those. Everything else is pretty good. Yeah. So we'll turn you back on. And what I'm gonna do is weld these. And then I'm just gonna put in one of them. The welder will sort it out when I turn it on. Really? Another one that's practically overhead. See how they're coming quite close? Even though I cheated and got rid of the storm, I probably will have to go and grab that one since it's so close. Right, to you, and that. There we go. Now we can make it these.
Energy low.
There we go. So I'll probably just leave those welders in because they might come in useful. Right, we'll just get some charge. Go and check out the signal that's just about dropped on top of us. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty good. Why are you not? Oh, you have. It's fine. That's good, and that's good. Awesome. Okay, let's just dump all of you. Grab some parts. These. Ow, almost. Where's Okay, so that's a fairly significant amount of thrusters, and they're sort of hidden away. So I want the thrusters to be kind of hidden away that you can't sort of see them. Yeah, and for the forward and back, I'm actually thinking that they want to be in here. Like, I think we can turn that projector off now. We will need to rotate it around and put it the other way. We'll just put it on there for now. But yeah, if I put thrusters like that, 2, 3, 5. I'll tell you what, I'm not going to weld those up by hand. Let's just... we'll turn you off. And we'll grab some parts for... like that. And then... that. Yeah. No, I could probably just weld up these ones. Pretty straightforward. So that's fine. Same with you. That actually wants to be a different type. Probably want you like that. Since we've got all the parts just here. Alright, that's good. Let's go back to that, and we can just having a bit of a think. Yeah, we'll put that in there. I was just wondering if we have some sideways thrusters, but they can... Yeah, I'll maybe put them somewhere else. Possibly. We can always change it. Right, get rid of you. And like that. Oh, there we go. Awesome. Looks pretty ugly, but that's fine. Yeah. Well, just thinking about sideways thrusters, because they could almost go in there, but I'm sort of thinking up here, so they shoot down through there, but because they could even... What if we went like... How about this? What about like that? like so, and then we want thrusters like that.
Energy low.
So, just finish you. These will be still not quite used to this new build vision setup. Okay. So, what have we done? We've done 1, 2. And I regret not getting the rest of that stuff out. Okay, well that could work. That could work indeed. Same thing would have to happen there. But that could work. That would be attached still, yes. So how's that looking from under here? Yeah. Yeah, I think that that works. So these are forward.
Energy critical.
And I guess that we've just decided that this is the front. Okay, that's fine. Now, just while we do this, I would imagine that we are short of metal grids. Yeah, we're getting through them. Let's do another 1,000 of those. All right, that's coming together. It's coming together. So I'm thinking like here there'll be a door. Still got to figure out up the top here. But actually that pipe works quite good. I quite like that. Yeah, maybe somewhere in here it might be good to get some stairs, but I don't think that's going to happen. We'll see. If probably could. I'm just wondering whether I do put another row of catwalk along there, because I haven't got any other ideas of what to put in. Oh. Yeah, I think that might be the way. And I could even sort of have stairs going up here. So they don't need to be connected, but I'll have a think about that. Right, I think probably I'll change this. So that will go to actually I've had a thought. That one, yep, that wants to go like that, and then one of them, and then like that, and that one like that. And we'll put a T in there just because it's going to have to go inside at some stage. Awesome. Okay, that's good. That's good. Yeah. Yep. So as I say, I'll repeat it down the other end. Whether that is another situation that we can... Oh, need a drink. I have some supplies here though. Let's just disconnect this, and we will put another blueprint in there. We'll delete you. Put you back, and yeah, that's cool. Cool. Alright, I'll get this sorted out. Actually, I'm just going to have to take a bit of a break and sort something out offline. Yeah, be back soon, but that's a good start. Need some lights. Yeah. Yeah, right. Yep. See you soon. Okay, I was gone and I'm back. And if this is the edited version, then I would suggest that this is probably where the montage will come back in. Yet to be determined. Right, so that's looking pretty good. Okay, so I need to load up the projector, which is here. Right. Just around the wrong way, maybe? Let's bring it back down. Just get it out there so we can sort of see. So that way? No. Roll. No. Pitch? Yes. Keep projection on. Yep. Okay, that's good. So, I was almost there. Needs to go up 2 and forward another 1. Okay. Oh, just 1. Wrong way. That's annoying. So it needs to go that way. There we go. There we go. Right, just need to make these welders. It's got one of those blocks, so that's good. Marvellous. It's good. Then we've got to do all this stuff. So let's get rid of you. Yeah. Is that correct? Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Okay, and then let's get rid of you, and you, and you. Oh, look at that. It's all still there. Not enough parts, but never mind. Come on, you can do it. There we go. Aha, that's good. Oh, we can do you. Good. Oh, this is going well. Right. So now, if we go for parts for one of these, just pop you up in there. On. Doing the business. What I might do is I'll actually put another one in here, I think. That would probably be the quickest thing to do. It should pick up that one in there. Just go get some energies and some hydrogens and some steel. And steel. Cool. Do I need anything else? That'll do for now. Right. Let's just get some of these welded up. What I can do is grind you off. Put you in here. You. Cool, cool. That's good. You're nothing. That's fine. We just need to rename these just before I forget. So these will be forward, these will be back. I need to get used to using the right mouse button to click out of these. Why are they the side ones? Oh, something's going wrong there. Forward. That one's forward. That one's not. Sorted. Okay. That's good. So they are fantastic. Here to you. Why have I lost my stuff? Cool, cool. And yeah, you're all welded up, so with those. Turn you off. Yeah, so I think I could probably leave those welders in. Okay, well that's good. That's very good. Let's just have a look in here. So I need to sort you out, which means
Inventory full.
eh. Let's just turn that projection off for a second, shall we? As soon as I find it. Actually, before I turn it off, what I'll do is just move it back. Is that back? 3, 4. Should then be in the right place. And I'm thinking for you. I haven't got enough room. Uh-oh. Oh, there's stuff there, that's why. Only that. Okay, that's good. Just one last thruster to go. Didn't quite get enough parts. Alright, that's good. You done? No, you're not done. Done now. Okay, now let's turn that projector off. See what we've got. Yeah, that's good. So really nice and industrial in here. Yeah, that's what I want. Cool. Okay, that's good. Very good. Okay, now what? So I think this will be the back. So what I might do is put a couple of O2 generators in, I think. Like so. just turn you off for now. And tanker number 2. Tanker number 1. Very good. Okay, that's good. Just wondering whether need more batteries. That'll be fine for now. So yeah, you can see what I mean by it being sort of quite sort of airy and open. It's not going to be super fantastic defensive wise, but yeah. Now, do I put another row of walkways in? I think I do. Yep. Okay, let me grab parts. So for you interior plates, and for you construction components. Right. Oh, timer, lightning, rods on, trigger. Okay, so hopefully that sorts out. We don't get hit. Right. So shall I just like turn all of those on? Yeah, why not? Okay, so let's just go with our passenger as well. This shouldn't take long. Then the walkways. How does that look? Yeah, I think that works. That works. That'll do. Okie pokey. Welcome back. I say welcome back because it is tomorrow for me. Just need to fix this. So, yes, if you're watching the edited version, welcome back from the montage. I think I said that earlier in the long version, but actually this time it will be welcome back from the montage. Let's just turn those thrusters off as well. There. Yeah, we can turn you back on. Let that charge up. Yes, so Fetchy had another accident. Right. Let's get back to this. Just wondering when. Yeah, you're still going that way. That's fine. Okay. Right. So yes, it's come up all right. Now I have done some stuff off camera just before I started now, which was put the lights in and a whole lot of naming. Named the tanks and named the welders. That's very good. Okay, so I'm going to work on the back section now, which is going to be where the engines are. So I want to put ions in here, and I think we'll go for those ones. Right, so I'm thinking like why won't you blink? Oh, there we go. Because it was the small grid one. So if you went like, I need some steel. Steel. Let's actually just make some more of that. Right. So I'm thinking if you go 1, 2, 3. Then obviously I can't finish these off because I don't have, well maybe not obviously, but I can't finish these off because I don't have any platinum, but let's get them started. So if I put you in there. And yeah, I think that's right. And then just sort of between the walkways, have those there. And have those there, and then I'll put another set of steel in and do another set of these because yeah, I really need few. Is that too many? No, it'll be right. And then for the back thrust, I'm thinking like this. Oh, the other thing I did was just redirected that pipe so that I've actually got the thingamybobs, the walkways now in the right place. Okay, so that's like 12 of those. That's probably enough actually, and I'm gonna have. Then I could have the other one. So they're kind of going to be hidden, but not really. Yeah. Then I've got to sort out these. Okay, let's get these welded up. We'll just try turning the welders on for a sec. Oh, that's not the right one. Try that one. Welders on. Okay, well it's got a bit of stuff. And off. So that's about the extent of that. Yeah, so just missing the thruster components. Alright, yeah, okay. Maybe leave this with me for a bit. That's probably the thing to do. Yeah, I'll weld all this up and get the... Oh, really? I know I can't get that stuff. Okay, well, okay, let's just do steel. Do a whole lot of steel. And yeah, as I say, I'll weld all of this up, and I'll also put some more in. So yeah, leave this with me. Oh, my word. I won't be doing a fast forward thing there. I will be editing that. Because that was just to and fro, back and forth, and going and making this noise the whole time. Right, let's have some breakfast. So in here I have some food. So I think some not so bacon and scrambled eggs, and maybe a hot chocolate since there's no coffee. But let's just get rid of you in there. Yeah, certainly when it comes time for the thruster components, I think we'll have to figure it. Oh, what the hell did? Okay, we have to fix that. Man. And is it just me, or are they not done? Oh, how did I miss that one? Gosh. Stand by. Because it's around the wrong way. Oh. That and my welder didn't seem to really want to work properly. It was sort of cutting in and out. That's good annoying. It's good. And I put batteries in there, so actually we can probably turn that on in a second. Are those all the same? Oh, look, they're different as well. Oh, blast and damn. And they're around a different weight. So, oh, man. Okay. I'll be back soon. Right, so as I was saying, that's I've put the batteries in because I just feel like I need another pair. Turn you on. Get a whole lot of stuff. Yeah, that was just back and forth, so I'm going to have to get something sorted with some sort of automatic welding for the last little bits. I mean, I can probably do it in space anyway with some sort of vehicle. About there, maybe? It's taking a while. Be missing power cells. Okay. Let's do a couple hundred of those. Sure, it won't take long. Yeah, and then I'm not going to put walkways down. I think I might just try something a little bit different for the back bits. Okay, that should be enough now. What's it doing now? There it goes. Gosh, that took a while. I don't know what the story was there. Anywho, right. Welders tanker off. Okay, let's go and sort out Fetchy first, and then we'll come back to this. So yeah. Sorry, just thinking. Right, Fetchy. So hopefully you're all sorted now. I turn that off? Yeah, I did, because I wanted to save power. Right. Let's go and put you away. There you are. So hopefully... Oh, turn the thrusters on. No worries. Yeah, I don't know what was happening with that autopilot that made it not work. We'll let future Wellington worry about that. There we go. Now we must have a timer in here, which is... should have it sorted. Right. Yeah, we'll fix you later. Okay, let's get back into this now. So, yeah, I'm thinking that... go for some corridors, which are in that slot, aren't they? Yeah, so grab some parts. Ideally those, but the problem's going to be... Oh, we need to put another thing there as well. It'll be fine for down here. It won't be a problem. So they can sort of go like that and just continue on. Yes, I should probably put a light in there as well. Okay, which one? That one. Which I probably had on my thing anyway. Okay, so that's... Let's just have a look at these. I mean, I'm actually thinking that that one there might be better. Even if I had it that way, can you walk through there like that? Because then I could like mirror them, so I could have that one that way. Have those ones that way. Let's just try that. What's going on there? Are we out of small steel tubes? I would say we are. Okay, we not on anything else? Yeah, steel tubes. Sort you out. Okay, we'll just grab some steel. Okay, and then go like that, that. And the same down here as well. Look at that, 400 meters. They're just about on top of me. Okay, that's, I think that'll work. I think that will work. Let's just grab here. Right. Okay, so yeah, I will let's just have a look at how this looks actually. So that's okay. Yeah, that's all right. And the one down here. Whoa. That one. Oh, now I'm just doubting myself. Okay, I'm gonna go with. Really? Right, here you are. I'm gonna go like that. For here. Yeah, I think that will work. It's a better floor, I reckon. And then down here,
Inventory full.
oh, thanks lady. Down here we'll go for this one. Yeah, I think that works. Sweet. Because we've got that there. Okay, right. Leave this with me and I'll just weld up the rest of these and we'll go from there. Perky perky. That's good. That's real good actually. So that's fine. I mean, potentially I can put some catwalks down there. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Good. Just contemplating. No, we'll leave that as is. If I need more down thrust, I'll put them in here or something, maybe. Yeah, I think this might struggle to get off the ground, actually. Again, we'll let future runners worry about that. Right, so next little predicament will be, I think, grabbing some steel. Actually, we'll grab some hydrogen as well. I think we can turn off the light now. Right, steel. Which I've already got a fair bit there. Alright, so let's just go to there. So what I'm thinking is let's just go out a couple. Just go with the plain grey. Then good, and then those, one of those. Yeah, and then I guess one of those. So. That's probably enough. So it's an interesting shape. I didn't really intend for it to be that shape, but I didn't intend for it not to be that shape either. Just have a look at some of these blocks because it'd be quite good to just have a think about this. Do I go for you? Like that. Yeah, I do, but now it's too far out the back, I feel. Yep. Back to that stuff in a sec. So... It's yeah, I think that will work. Maybe even we go with that style there. That could work. Actually, I've just had a thought. Just had a thought. Because if that comes down like that, and then like that. Then do I put these in, like the slopey bits? How do I do this? No, I've still got it wrong. I need to go like that. Gosh. Welcome to my style of building. So you go like that. I haven't just put the same thing in. No. Or have I? I think I've just done the same thing. That needs to go like that. Yeah, that's how it has to go. Like that. 1, 2, 3. Don't know how this is going to look at the front. Because I'll have to put windows in and stuff, and yeah. That works. Let's just do the same down the bottom. Now, can we do something like that? Then use one of these blocks that you never use because they're never right. Yeah, but that works there though. Wow. It's the first time I think I've ever used those. And they've actually been the right shape. Because normally you want to flat it off the front. There we go. That's good. Yes. That's pretty annoying. It is what it is. Right. Okay. All of this, and I'll duplicate it on the other side. Stand by. Right, let's keep moving on. So, yeah, I think... So what I'm going to do is, it is going well, but this is not going to be a one episode thing. This is an ugly thing, but I like it. It's good. So yeah, I'm looking at replicating that at the front. And so that'll be the actual pressurized sort of habitation area. What I need to do here is... Yeah, because I actually need to edit this and get it uploaded because it's... yeah, it'll take a while to do. So, yeah, I do kind of need to finish. What I'm going to do... There's also need to think about landing gear as well. But I do have a plan. So what I want to do is some landing gears that'll fold up. And out here I want to put an extending connector. Which will just take a bit of figuring out. Yes, good. Right, so we'll put you across there like that. And like that. On there. Yeah, it is coming together well. I mean, I had a little bit of an idea of what I was going to do when I started, but really not that much of an idea. And it'll be good once the ions get finished. So what I'll do is I'll put you up there. Then I need where are those maybe? Is that what I want? Yeah. Not really doing it for me. I think what I need is to get a grinder. And how about instead we go for these. If I went like that and like that. Wrong one. That needs to go that way. And that'll just... Yeah, that'll work. That'll work. Okay. Just roll you up. Surely there's a something here that we can get stuff? No? Okay. We do need to put in a large cargo container as well, which is a very good point. Oh, I don't think that's going to fit. Okay, that might have to go at the front. Either that or I have some small cargo containers. Might even be a bit more appropriate. Spread out the load. Yeah, that's probably a better idea. Right, so what I want to do here is put a hinge in there. And a hinge in there. Marvelous. And a couple of landing gears. 1, 2. Not quite. That's good. And put you that way. And you that way. Turn the auto lock off. Same with you. Really? Yeah, so that should work. Okay, and let's just the way. No, it's gonna get stuck. That's annoying. It's real annoying. Okay. We can fix that by putting a rotor on. Interior plate, that's why. That's good. I thought it was going to fit.
Energy low.
Okay. So I need to pull you back a bit. To know if that's it needs to go back quite a bit. Okay, well that's that, and then let's put you on. Oh, come on, you can do it. Okay. Why? Can't place it. Why can't I place it? Place it there. Place it there. Oh, hang on, that worked. Why did it go that way but not the other way? Okay, other plan. Let's just turn you a little bit. That way. Okay, so that's 2%. So we'll go 0. And we'll go 90. Good. And let's try again to connect it on. No, why? Okay, let's try it at like a 45-degree angle. Or at 25. Why? Oh, because you're clipping in there, that's why. It's annoying.
Energy critical.
That's annoying. Okay. Plan C. Or plan A1. Yeah, we'll get some power in a second. Is to go like that, maybe. And give that a whirl. Yeah, or even just sort of that would probably do the trick. Might fit in a bit nicer. Try and get the right button. Okay, oh, didn't want the pattern on there. Okay. Other way. It's not going to work, is it? Because it's not going to work. We need to use the round ones. That's okay. Shall we actually just leave them? Urgh. Gosh. Okay, so that needs to be 0. And we'll try again. I think that I'll put another one of those in. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. Oh. Okay. Back soon.
Inventory full. Inventory full.
Alright, so yes, got that sorted now. So there's the hinges. So they go down. And then we can lock. Marvellous. Unlock, bring them back up. Woohoo! Okay, so that's good. Right, next item is going to be a piston. I really need to get a cargo container in here. So if we put the piston in here, ooh, like that. And then we want a cargo container there. Don't have any parts. Oh, it's a bit of a... It's not amazing here, but I do struggle to get around sometimes. Right. just need to put you in there. Just thinking. Yeah, no, it's all good. Right. And then I needed how many? Say 1, 2, 3, I think. Maybe only 2. 1, 2, 3. Or maybe 3. But I also do need to think about a docking one that goes down as well. Okay, we'll leave future one to worry about that. Let's do that. Come on. There. Oh, I didn't think I grabbed that. Okay, that's good. So, what I want to do is, yeah, put another 2 and a connector. Mine that thing. And where is it? There it is. And then a connector. Yeah, that's right. Connector there. Like that. Okay, so that's it retracted. Yep. So now I need to grab some parts for the I need to grab some parts for the walkway. Just gonna get a whole lot of those and change colour. So like that. And then like that. Yes. I think that's right. And then from over here, well, so that's that. And then there's also going to have to be one across here, like so, which will connect into there and into there. I need to put, I think, corner in there? Yeah, or oh well. It's just not quite doing it for me, this. I think that actually needs just to be a continuation of one of these ones. Not that one. Yeah, back to that one. Is that what I want, or do I want to swap it back to... that. I think it needs to be that. And that potentially goes right in the corner there as well. Okay, well, we'll let future Wellington worry about those. Let's get back to this. And now we're going to be the wrong colour again. But what I'm thinking is that actually... let's just push you forward. There it goes. Oh, it's a bit sticky. Okay, we just want it to go to there. A little bit more. 4.85. We'll just reverse you. Oh, that's not reversing because I haven't got anything on it. Okay, so that's good. Get rid of you. So yeah, that's that extends out the back. Okay, so that's cool. Let's just continue to put some of these in. There. There. That's all good. Oh. Third time lucky. So that's good. Okay, so this is rear connector piston. Rear connector.
Energy low.
Really? Glad I built this thing right here. Let's just put the piston in here, wherever it is. Surely it's in there. Reverse. Okay, that's good. Sort of. I'm actually used to make that. Okay, so there's a rear connection. That's good. It won't be here because of all of this stuff. But probably down here we'll have a side connection as well. I mean, that could even come out at sort of this level here. Yeah, there's nothing to say that it needs to be up there. Just the only thing that's going to be the landing gears. Yeah, they'll have to go up the front. which is where they are on the back. So that's okay. That's all right. Sort that out. Ah, very good. We're getting there. We are getting there. Okay. So that's awesome. Right. Just name you. So connector tanker rear. And we don't need you on the inventory or the terminal. And now that... oh, we'll leave you for now. Okay, so I'm thinking that I do need some gyros. Gyros. And I'm just thinking that they can go like 1, 2, 3. And they use so much stuff. 1, 2, 3. Right. We are going to have to... We're going to have to run some conveyors in. Oh, I should have done it before I... Oh, nuts. Okay. Plan B. Get you a little bit out. Actually, we'll get you a bit more than that. We'll get you that much there. Cool. And up. So, just to keep that stuff attached, if we can just sneak a block in there. So we want it attaching to you. Oh, I hope that's attached. I guess there's one way to find out. I still don't know. Nuts. Okay. Oh, I know what to do. I know what to do. Don't worry, don't panic. As soon as I get the right thing. I'll just put like a light in there would do fine. Corner light. Okay, now that's attached. Cool. Right. Grab some parts. We'll just grab regular flavour. So, 1, and then 1, 2, 3, 3? 1. 2. 2 we need. Okay. So now we can cut you and you should be fine, fingers crossed. I wasn't worried. One, 2. And then a welder. That's not a welder, and that's the wrong spot. It's going well. It's going real good. Almost had enough stuff. Continue on. Let's just go and have a look at our components. See how we offer stuff. Starting to get down on line a little bit. Middle grid. Yeah, it's just middle grids really. Oh, and steel's starting to get down again. So I'm going to do 1,000 metal grid in that one, and 5,000 steel in that one. Okay, so you're all done.
Fuel low.
Ooh, okay.
Fuel critical.
Right. Very good. Might even just leave that light on there, I think. Trying to change the colour. Go. Okay, I'm pretty sure I will need some more gyros. So that's alright. Yeah, and then so we need to put a connection down here as well. So I guess the way to do that is to get rid of you and you and go over here. Hope I've got enough parts. Yes, good. Okay, then a piston. And again, we'll make this yellow. Then a connector. Needs to be that way. Very good, very good. So what I'm thinking is that
Energy low.
this, I want the landing pad for this to be kind of like a little bit like Wally, which the big ships that the colony ships that are away, the lifeboat type ships, when they come back, they've got very limited landing facilities, but everything just fits in perfectly. So that's what I sort of want to do there. So yeah, so I'd need to be quite precise with the landing pad potentially. But that's alright. We'll again, we'll let future Wellington worry about that. But that's looking pretty good. I do need to replace the stuff here, so I need to sort that out. Yeah, let me do this. Okay, I like that. That's good. And when this all gets done, it'll look real good. Yes. Right. So that's that. That's all of that. We've got those down here. Yeah, that's looking good. Yeah, it suits down here to have the that sort of finish. Okay, that's good. Good. Right. So I think that's probably not far off, really. Just wondering, I probably want walkways down there, and they'll kind of they'll drop down, but maybe we just need to wait and see with that. But those landing gears are good. I like those. They I'm just going to give them another go because I quite like them. So hinges, and then they drop out. Yeah, so they'll be out of the way. Awesome. And that's not got any. Hang on. We'll do it at that speed, so we can get back in. I think that'll work out well. And yeah, whether just for the sake of it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that like that, and I'm also just going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or is it only 5? I think it's only 5. That's okay. Yeah, that's good. Okay, that's real good. No weapons on the back. I did contemplate whether I had some turrets sort of here. It'd be great if we could get them on the corner, but yeah, it is what it is. Okay, so I think that I am indeed going to pull the pin there. Just sort of. Yeah, we're going to have to get some stairs some way, somehow to come down. I guess down here is really the only sort of spot. So I'll put them in now. Why not? But yeah, so as I say, I think this is where I'm going to leave it today. I was hoping to get all this knocked off in one episode, but I think I probably was asking a bit much there. I feel like that should be like that. Like that, and like that. And put the stairs in like that, and right where that pillar is actually. I think. Yeah, I think here. It's okay. That's all right. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, as I say, I think that's where we'll leave it today. I'll just put these in. And yeah, I was hoping to get the whole thing done, but obviously it's quite a large ship. But I think really I've made a good start. And that, yeah, it will be achievable. Doing the same format. I say that in a questioning voice. Same format next time. Is that something that you want to see as viewers? Or do I just go choppy choppy on the short one and don't do the long one? Yeah, interested to hear your feedback, whether it's something that I should be continuing to do. Yeah, I think that's good. I'm just wondering whether actually, if I were to put them across here, no, they wouldn't lock because they're not on auto lock. Okay. Sorry, still more walkways. I like more walkways. And the good thing about these ones is they've got a texture on them, so they won't
Energy low.
phase in. You know, the LOD. Okay, so that's that. There was a cargo container right there. Really? Really? Okay, that's good. And I would even suggest just because, let's go and do you. Like that. And this will of course all look quite different once the ion thrusters get finished. But yeah, that's cool. That's just a little bit different. Yeah, awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And yeah, as I say, there'll be some stairs go down there, I think. That's all good. So, you know, there's stuff going on. Everything's kind of got a place, I guess. Yeah, I'm quite happy with that. It's a nice, it's going to be all open and stuff, and yeah, certainly not a warship. You would not want to take this into a fight because everything is exposed.
Energy critical.
But that's, yeah, let's just forget we've got orcs flying about and I just hope it'll be able to outrun things, basically. That's what I'm hoping. Yes, so yeah, that's that. So there'll be another 2 sections on the front, and then the nose will replicate this, but we'll have like we'll have windows around here and windows across the front as well, and potentially, no, because I don't have any half windows. But yeah, I think it'll work well. I think it'll work. Yes, so stand by. And I'm back. I had to reload because the wave wasn't working. It glitches out still, so it occasionally works, but does sort of not work quite regularly. Right, anyway, enough of that. Yes, so thanks everybody for watching today, whether that's the shortened version, or should I say regular version, or the extended version. And again, I'm keen to hear your thoughts on whether I choose one format or the other, or stick with both. It is a bit of a hassle to do, but I think when it comes to builds like this, which, yeah, has gone really well actually, I think when it comes to builds like this, it's probably the way to go. But yeah, as I say, interested to hear your feedback. So next time we will finish this off. I think we've made such a big dent on it, and yeah, looking forward to that. So until then, stay safe out there, everybody, and have a good one.